Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to move money from your Scotiabank credit card to your bank account, whether it is for an emergency or just to add a bit of flexibility to your finances. I have got your back, so let's get started. Before you begin, it is important to know your cash advance limit. This is the maximum amount you can transfer from your credit card. You can find this in your Scotiabank app or by logging into online banking. Also take note on any fees and interest rates that apply. Cash advances can be costly. Now open the Scotiabank mobile app or their official website. Log in using your credentials. Now you have to initiate the transfer, like navigate to your credit card account, look the cash advance or transfer to bank account option, then enter the amount you'd like to transfer, use your username or card number, then password, then click this sign icon, then tap on to sign in. Then after logging in, follow the steps I told you earlier. Now you have to double check all the details, amount, destination, account and fees. Once you are ready, tap confirm or submit. So that's it, transferring money from your Scotiabank credit card to your bank account. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more.